If you're a wedding business owner and you're not using email marketing, you are leaving money, momentum, and dream clients on the table. Let me explain why. But first, hi, I'm Katie, and inside our coaching program for wedding pros, we help people build businesses that are visible, booked out, and running smoothly behind the scenes. And one of the most powerful, underrated tools that we help our clients to master is email marketing. And here's why. Instagram can vanish, algorithms can tank or change very often, inquiries can slow down. But your email list, that's yours. You control it, and when you get it right, it becomes your business's most reliable growth engine. And let me break it down for you. Most wedding pros send one email a year, a price list or a basic reply to an inquiry. And that's not email marketing, that's a missed opportunity. Now, email marketing, when it's done right, warms up cold leads, nurtures inquiries so that they don't ghost you, books repeat work and referrals way after the wedding, and it keeps you top of mind when that couple's best friend gets engaged. It's also where we help our clients to stand out, because most wedding businesses, their emails are flat. They're forgettable and they're full of friction as well. But not our clients. We check every single email that goes out, every response. We look at subject lines, tone of voice, call to actions. We look at automation flows and even post-wedding follow-ups. You are never writing into the void and wondering what to do. We're right there with you, helping you to craft emails that convert. And we don't stop at emails either. Our clients are working on full client attraction systems, powerful wedding fair strategies, and repeatable lead generation plans that bring in couples like clockwork into their business. They even get access to some seriously smart tech too. Flowdesk being one of them. It's beautiful, easy to use, and doesn't cost the earth. And it's what we recommend to nearly all our clients. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, if you've been wanting to sort your marketing out but feel overwhelmed with it, don't worry, that's what we're here for. We offer a few free strategy calls every week to wedding business owners just like you who are ready to grow. We'll talk about where you are now and give you some high impact tips right away. And then we can let you know how we can help you go further inside of your business. There's a form in the description below. Fill it out and to see if we've got space for you this week. And if you want to take that first step right now, check out Flowdesk, the email platform that we absolutely swear by. The link is in the description. It's time to make email marketing your secret sales weapon. And if you go and check out Flowdesk, you're going to get a month's absolutely free and 50% off if you do decide to stick around as well. We know that you're going to love it, and we'll see you in the next video.